All right, so we just pulled out the that '06 Civic for the AC issue. We got another car with another issue, so looks like it's gonna be Diag day today. This car's got some bedazzle in it. It's got the rhinestones on the knobs, on the push button start, and you know stuff like that. I actually had these rings things on a turnkey, which it wouldn't allow the car to start because of the ring that they put on the immobilizer for the key on the steering column thing there. But yeah, this customer's complaint is check and report active active cruise control lane keep assist lights are on the dash. So I did get a glimpse of it when I was driving the car in, but then it went away, and then those lights turned green. Oh wait, one turned green. Oh, that one turned green. It doesn't show the warning anymore, so that's kind of weird. Because when I was driving it from the parking lot, when I first took off, it just gave me collision mitigation and lane keep assist problem, but now it's all gone. So I'm just gonna hook up the scanner. I'm gonna scan it and see what it could be. What I have noticed since the temperature is getting kind of hot, these cars, when they bake in the sun, the little camera thing, they overheat. Just like the body control modules on the Hondas, when it gets hot, they do some funky stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna hook up the scanner and then we'll see what's going on. This thing has 121,000 kilometers. 2017 Civic. While this thing is scanning, you see the Dodge Caravan. You know how I said that they're very bad for transmissions? So this one isn't the work truck or work van that I looked at, but this is a different one. This one's actually a customer, which is also one of the what do you call it? One of the employees, friends or family or whatever, also having the same issue with the transmission. So we got a brand new transmission right there, and just to help cut on labor cost, they're getting the apprentices to do that. So just wanted to show you how as I was saying, how bad the transmissions are on those Dodge Grand Caravan. So yeah, so the apprentice is doing that. They're just letting apprentice guy. Well, he's a pretty good apprentice. He's almost fourth year, but yeah, malfunction PCM unit, multi-purpose camera unit. Yeah, you will get that when the temperature gets hot, and yeah, here you go. FCAN malfunction. So it overheats, it stops communication, or it stops communicating, and then once that thing cools down, everything's all fine and dandy again. So let me show you. Where's the lost communication with multi-purpose camera? And then all your driving support's gonna set all these codes because it can't get information. So yeah, but now it's all good because it's cool. We're cooler in the shop, right? When it sits in the sun and it bakes, right, that thing gets hot, and it just, I guess, just like the audio unit, when it when it, because the fan stops working and it overheats, it just stops all the sound from coming out of your speakers, and then we blew air into the audio unit, and then all the sound came back. So yeah, see, this is what happens when you get all these new technology, and when it fails, it does stuff like this. So right now I'm just gonna clear all the codes. I would recommend replacing that camera, but this car is not like it's out of warranty, so you're paying, I don't know, I think it's some ridiculous amount for that multi-purpose camera. But now that it's cooled down, like it's fine now. So if I clear all the codes, so I'm clearing all the codes, right? All the warning, well, the warning already went away because it detected a fault, and then now it's gone. So it's not there anymore. So all the warning lights are off because that camera on the windshield has cooled down, and now issue's gone. So what do you think? If this customer had what do you call it? extended warranty, then sure, I'll throw it in. But if this is customer pay, I just let them know what it is, and it's up to them if they want to change it. But all I'm just saying is, because of heat sitting in the sun, especially when we have temperatures getting up in the 30s, and it's basically a greenhouse in here, and it's pretty much hotter in here than it's outside. Your electronics are pretty much overheating in here, and your camera, your body control module, your audio unit, yeah, they start to cause issues like this. So yeah, and you're probably questioning me about this, but I'm just telling you this from experience and what I've been seeing during the summer days, But yeah, anyways, that's all I just wanted to share with you guys. Plus, I get to make you YouTube videos because it's probably going to be like a diag day, especially with temperatures hitting around 30s outside. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below what you guys think, and I'll see you next time. Might as well show here. I'll start it up for you. All the warnings are all gone now. The active cruise control and lane keep assist lights are all green, so it's everything is as it should. If there was an issue, then these would be yellow.